Bonjour everybody. Welcome back. First of all, before I start this video, I want to say a big thank you for all those of you who have been watching my previous video, my comeback video, where I explained a little bit about what's been happening for this past year and why I've been MIA. It was a very difficult video for me to film. As you can see, there's a lot of cuts. I had to cut off a lot of things. I cried a couple times. And I was trying not to be too heavy because, well, it's been a heavy year already, so you know, I didn't want to be like sobbing on the net like that. So I did my best to keep it together, and I am really grateful and really overwhelmed by the amount of messages, comments that I received on my video, and but also on Instagram. It looks like a lot of you have been following me on Instagram too, so thank you so much for keeping an eye out for me, and thank you for all the love that you guys have been pouring my way. Oh my gosh. It feels really good. Thank you for the support by liking the video, posting a comment down there, the little emojis. I'm doing my best to read every single one of them. Keep in mind, I have a little baby to take care of also, so it's not always easy for me to take the time and be in front of my phone for too long, you know, and to reply. But I'm trying my best, and I am touched by every single comment you guys are sending my way. Thank you so much. That's it. I'm done with that part. Back to this video. So in today's video, we're gonna keep it light because it's a nicer subject. I'm gonna show you guys, as per your request, how I take care of my hair, how I blow dry my hair. I'm gonna show you a wash day routine plus the day 2, because my wash day is not it. My hair routine continues through about 3 to 4 days. But the highest maintenance is on wash day. So I'm gonna bring you to my bathroom. We're gonna rewind time and go to yesterday when I did wash my hair. This is day 2 right here. I'm going to show you my entire wash day routine plus the blow dry, and we're gonna come back to present time where I will reveal the final look of my hair on the day 2. Make yourself comfortable, grab a cup of tea or your favorite drink, a little snack, and let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna rewind time and go back to yesterday morning. We'll be going in my bathroom. It is wash day. At this point we are on a day 4, I think. I had a couple of workouts, so my scalp is pretty dirty, and it started to get a little bit itchy. Right now I'm trying to go through my hair products one by one and finish them because I have way too much, and I refuse to buy new product until I'm done with what I have, except for one mask that I did buy for my hair. So the shampoo and conditioner that I will be using on my hair is from Luisa. You guys are familiar with this brand. I've been using it a lot. I really like their product. It is a product that is made for curly and wavy hair. I don't really mind because I am not looking to have really straight hair. I'm looking to have a nice little va-va-voom going. You'll see in a few minutes. But anyways, I am washing my hair the same way I've always washed my hair, I believe. It's by using the shampoo only on my scalp. I am not putting shampoo on the length of my hair. Of course, as the water drops through, the shampoo is going to go through the length of the hair, but I'm not like washing my hair with the shampoo. Only the scalp. This is really key and really important. I like to use a massaging tool, I can't remember how you call those, to stimulate the blood flow on my scalp and to stimulate growth. I have no proof that this works, although I have to say, since I've been using it, I notice a huge growth spurge on my hair. I don't know if it's just my hair, regrowing hair because I lost so much. Anyway, that's a subject for another video. Back to today's matter. I will rinse out and then I will use a second dose of shampoo, and I will target the zone that didn't really get the shampoo. Yes, I am cleansing my scalp, and this is key for a healthy scalp. Okay, Once my scalp is cleansed and rinsed out, I apply the conditioner from the same brand. Again, I'm looking to go through all of my hair product one by one, and with that is the bottle that I'm finishing right now. I'm applying the conditioner on the length of my hair, and then I go ahead and detangle my hair gently, starting from the bottom, making my way up to the roots. So far, nothing has changed much from my previous curly hair routine, except that I am shampooing twice instead of once. Once I am done detangling my hair, I rinse off, and then it's time to apply the repair mask from Redken. It is the acidic bounding concentrate 5-minute liquid mask. It has 60% of citric acid in it, and the goal here is to help my hair repair as much as possible from the heat, from the dryness, from the weather, from everything. This, I believe, is what is keeping my hair together and not falling apart. I apply this on the length of my hair. I put my hair in a little bun, and then I put my bonnet over it, and then I go ahead and take care of the rest of my body. This takes me a little bit more than 5 minutes, which is perfect because this mask is a 5-minute mask. So voila. Once I am done taking care of my beautiful body, I rinse off the mask and I get out the shower. Once I'm out the shower, I towel dry my hair as much as possible. I take out as much water as I can. And then it is time to protect my hair from the heat by applying a heat protection product. So I have two here that I like to use. One is heavier than the other. I have the Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Polisher from Argan Oil, and I have the Thermal Shield Heat Protectant from Cantu. The Argan Oil one is a little, it's an oil, it's a little heavier. So this one, I tend to put it more in my daughter's hair. The one from Cantu is more of a liquid consistency, so it's better for my fine hair. It doesn't weight my hair down. And the cool thing is that it protects your hair for up to 425 Fahrenheit, which is 220 degrees Celsius. So it's a pretty good protection, especially if you are the type who likes to flat iron your hair. I'm not quite there. Sometimes I do, most of the time I don't. The blow dry is more than enough for my fine hair. I apply that in all the sections of my hair, and then I go ahead and just blow dry my hair. I'm not trying to do a very pretty blow dry. I'm just drying my hair with my blow dryer, and I like to do it with my head upside down so that the roots are a little bit lifted and it gives me a little bit more volume. Once my hair is completely blow dried, I go ahead and I section my hair and I do a nice blow dry. This time I you know, put some muscle in it, and I do each section nicely. Because my hair is so fine, it takes me maybe between 10 and 15 minutes to do my entire head of hair. So I'm not gonna say this is a fast process because it depends on how much hair and your hair texture and all that. But for me, because I don't have a lot, it's pretty fast. Once I am done with my blow dry, I apply a little bit of this protection hydration oil from Shea Moisture. I really like this product. Now, it is quite heavy, but my hair is so dry that it absorbs it right away. The key here is to only apply this at the bottom to the mid-level, mid-length of your hair. You do not go above your jawline. Now, once you really applied and once it really got into your hair, you may have a little bit left on the palms of your hand, but very light. That is when you want to go on the top of your head and just tamp down those little flies, you know, the hair that's flying out a little bit. This is pretty much the end result. This is pretty much what I'm dealing with at that moment, okay? Usually I am not a big fan of my hair right after I blow dry it. I think it looks too dry and a little bit too straight for my liking. So what I like to do is to put it in a loose bun and go about my day. Right? So that was yesterday morning. I had this loose bun all day long. I did everything I had to do. I had a doctor appointment for Ella. I cooked. I slept on this bun. And now we're catching up to this morning. This is how I looked like this morning. Hey my loves. Okay, it's the next morning. I am ready to go take my shower. The bun that you see here is the same bun I've had since yesterday morning when I first did my hair. I kept it on all day and I slept on it. I really like to do a loose bun like this because for two reasons. First one, it's like a protective style that well, protects my hair from the weather and whatever. But also it gives a nice fold to my hair. It kind of styles my hair a little bit for me while I sleep. So when I keep it on all day plus all night and I take it out the following day, like I'm about to do with you right now, well, after my shower, I get a nice va-va-voom going on with my hair. I get a nice like loose curl wavy hair, not really wavy, but like, I don't know, it gives a nice fold and a nice wave to my hair, a nice body to my hair. You're about to see. I'm gonna go in the shower right now. I'm gonna put a shower cap on my hair to keep it dry, and dress, makeup, all that. And when I see you, we'll take out the bun together and you'll see what I'm talking about. See you in a sec. All right, all set. I'm ready to take my bun out. You see how messed up it is right now? It is completely normal. So let's see how my hair is going to look like now that I am ready to put it down. Ta-da! Voila. This is what I mean by I have a... Look at this. Look at how cute this is. This is so cute. Look at this. Right? And that's just my hair as soon as I took it out the bun. As the day goes by, my hair is going to get more and more relaxed. But I could definitely walk out the door just like that and I'm fine. Sometimes I don't even take out my bun until I reach my final destination. So let's say I have, I don't know, a doctor's appointment because I'm fancy like that. I would keep the bun on in the car. I will drive to the doctor's appointment. I'm saying doctor's appointment, but whatever appointment. And I will take out the bun just before I get out the car and walk into the doctor's office looking like that. You can tell I'm single now, right? Because I'm all va-va-voom to go to the doctor. N'importe quoi. Luisa is talking nonsense. So this is pretty much it. Oh, the sun is like beaming right now. I'm sorry. Like the sun goes in and out and it's kind of strong. But anyways, it's too strong. So voila, this is what I mean by a nice loose curl, nice body to my hair. It gives me that wavy look, and because my hair is naturally curly, it will keep that that style for a longer period of time. Let me show you the back real quick. All right, I'm not sure if that was showing you everything, but you get the gist of it. Yeah, that's it. All right, my love, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts, your questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I still need the boost because, you know, I've been MIA for so long. Thank you so much for all the nice comments on the previous video. I am so happy to be back, and it's so heartwarming to read all your comments, and I missed you guys. Thank you for the support. I love you guys. I'll see you next week with a new video. Until then, stay happy and healthy. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.